Yay!
Achieved through the courts what they've been unable to achieve through the ballot box.
Bob.
The Constitutional Court declaring that the government elected by the rural poor but rejected by the urban elite won last year's election.
Yay!
It's the second time in 2 years the court has suspended
You're on the roll.
the elected government and barred the sitting Prime Minister from office. All eyes are now on the government's supporters.
Wow.
She has the
Yay! Clap hands! Clap hands! Yay!
reaction from the pro-government forces. There's been a lot of
Danny's walking na.
now seems that the Constitutional Court has been
Sige na, Bob. On the roll si Dada na na. Oh, ala. Oh.
immediately after the verdict.
More stable na ang walk niya ngunyan.
Regroup under a new name.
Walk the room, walk the room.
As it did 2 years ago.
Walk the room.
More troubled times. Home to the army.
Walk the
Don't
room.
disturb her, Bobby. Just let her be
Sige
confident
nga, go,
muna.
go. Tayo, tayo.
Okay, it's alright. Come on.
Ayun na.
And 22 injured.
Tayo na lang, babe.
It's okay, baby.
It's okay. Yay! Yay! Oh, stand up. Guide mo siya, Bob. Stand up.
At the Prime Minister's office. With the agreement of
Tayo.
the
It's okay, it's okay. Sige na, do your thing.
The army may guard access
Tayo.
to the airport. But beyond the barricades, it's
Ayan na.
will
Yay! Clap your hands na lang, Bob. Yay!